Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create stunning custom mockups using Canva, but felt a bit lost on how to get started, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to design unique, professional mockups for your projects in literally just a few seconds. Whether you're showcasing a logo, a website screenshot, or launching a new product, this quick and easy process is going to take your presentations to the next level. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Canva and navigate to the main dashboard. If you haven't used Canva much before, you'll see a button labeled Create near the top. Clicking this is how you'll start any new project. From here, choose Customize. This option lets you select your own dimensions, which is super helpful if you already know the specific size you want your mockup to be. Maybe you need it to fit in an Instagram post, or perhaps for a product page. Just punch in the width and height here so your design will fit perfectly wherever you need it. After you've set your custom size and clicked on Create New Design, Canva will give you a fresh, blank canvas to work with. Think of this canvas as your digital workspace. It's ready for anything you're about to create. Now we're going to search for the mockup element that'll serve as the foundation for your design. On the left side, you'll see a search bar at the top of the Elements section. Here, type in what you're looking for. For example, let's say you want to create a mockup for a new website. Just type laptop mockup. You could also search for t-shirt mockup, phone mockup, or whatever best matches your project. Take a moment to browse through the options. Canva has loads of templates to choose from, so pick the one that fits your vision the best. Once you've found the perfect mockup, click on it to add it to your blank canvas. Go ahead and drag it into place. Maybe you want it centered or perhaps angled a bit for a more dynamic look. This is your chance to play with the layout and make it your own. If you're adding multiple mockups or want to include some extra elements later, just know you have lots of flexibility here. Now it's time to add your custom image. Think of this as dressing your mockup in the unique branding or design you're showcasing. Look to the left again and find the Uploads tab. If you haven't uploaded your image yet, just click Upload Files and select your photo, logo, or screenshot from your computer or device. Give it a second to finish uploading. Don't worry if it takes a moment, especially if the file is big. Once your image appears in the Uploads panel, simply click and drag it onto the mockup element right on your canvas. Canva does a really cool job of snapping your image into the right spot, almost like magic. It fits inside the laptop screen, phone frame, or whatever mockup you picked. If it doesn't align perfectly at first, you can double-click and adjust it a bit. Play around until it looks just right. And just like that, you've created a custom mockup in Canva, all in a matter of seconds. Feel free to add backgrounds, text, or any little touches to make your design really stand out. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share what type of mockup you're working on, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Canva tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.